So sedation dentistry is very popular. People want to be sedated.
Oh yes, they want to be sedated. One of my favorite procedures. And I'll tell you why. When the patient makes the first phone call to the practice, my staff knows that that patient don't like dentists. They're scared. That's why when I build my practice, I want to build it in a way that the patient will feel relaxed. It will feel calm, comfortable when they come in. It's just not a typical dental practice. So when these patients, they're really scared to go and see a dentist, they cross the door, they immediately bring it to me. They sit them in a chair and they come and I start talking to them. I spend all the time, I want to know, I want to understand why you're fierce.
Do they ever say, no offense, doctor, but I don't like the dentist?
Yes, they always say.
They do?
Yes.
Okay.
And I tell them, I don't like them too. They're not my favorite, guys. I don't. And they tell me. But I want to know why. Because it's not, many times it's just not money. It's the fear they had a bad experience when they were young. And I get to hear those a lot. Or they had a bad root canal. There's thousands of stories why patients don't like dentists and they fear.
So what do you do
to
lower their fears?
Well, start talking to them. And the best thing is, you know something, Randy? Let's say you're my patient. You're in the right place.
Okay.
Why? Because I do feel you. Because I'm not going to treat your teeth. I'm going to treat your fear. Why? Because teeth, that's what I do every single day, Randy. I do fillings, I do crowns, I do root canals every single day. But these patients are very special for me. Why? Because it's not the procedure that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to treat their fears. And that's why I feel very comfortable with these patients.
Okay.
And being able to sedate them and spend 3, 4, 5 hours working on them and using all the technology that I have. So I don't have to be redoing stuff or bringing the patient so I can deliver a crown. No, everything's going to be done right there. Same appointment. If I have to do an implant, we do the same way.
Same day. We talked on the telephone, and this is really what you said. I tried to get you to brag about yourself. And I said, what differentiates you from other and one of the things you said, in fact, it was the first thing you said, is you said, I care.
Yes, it's
I mean, you like this.
I just, dentistry, this is a word that I use a lot, and my wife doesn't like me when I say it.
Okay.
But I have passion for dentistry, for the whole entire thing. Why? Because I get to meet people every single day. I make new members of my family in my dental practice every single day. And they come, and I like these patients that had a lot of fear to go, to a dentist. And when they come for their following appointments, it is so nice you see these people walk into my practice, knowing that in my practice, we're gonna take care of them. And that's what I do.
So you have people that used to be afraid?
Oh,
and now they're not afraid at all.
They're not afraid. They come in. If we're going to do a big procedure, I already know they're going to be sedated. And for me, it's nice because once they're sedated, I can do beautiful dentistry because they're not complaining.
So don't let your fear of the dentist keep you from having the smile you've always wanted.
No. It's if you still believe that going to the dentist is going to happen the same thing to you, no, it's not. The technology that we have today is so advanced that we can do things that we couldn't do before. So, no, I will say I invite all the patients who has fear to come to my practice. And trust me, I will take care of you.